much. These are the very, very close friends of Brother Maigama, the ones who came in with the flowers. And the very, very close friends of our Brother Maigama. You may have your seats. And so now we are going to start our program. Hold on. All right, thank you so much. I just went for a little consultation. For the rest of the evening, you will be seeing me up here, our sister Min Kelly, and the council, Peter Omari. So we are the ones that you will be seeing mostly up here. And as I said, we are having this memorial service for our brother to honor him for who he was in real life when he was with us. As you know, Maigama had friends globally. Globally in the sense that he was a social media booth. People are watching him from all around the world, let alone the family back home. So, you know, these our brothers left a very, very young family, two very little handsome boys, a young mother to the boys, and a mother, siblings to him. By the way, the mother is also sick. She's actually not well. He's been the one who has been her medication. Now that he's not there, that has been cut. We don't know how God is going to fill that gap. There's a huge gap that has been left in that home. But God being who He is, we know He's able to do wonderful miracles. Yeah, so we are going to have a fast. We're going to have a fast read to us. And the one who is going to give us that fast is our sister Min Kelly. Min Kelly, let me welcome you up here.
Good evening, everyone. I'm going to read a verse from Psalms 34, verse 17 and 18. It says, "The righteous cry, and the Lord heareth, and delivereth them out of all their troubles. The Lord is near unto them that are broken heart, and saveth such be of a contrite spirit."
Yeah, thank you so much, Sister Min Kelly. So now, I'm going to start us off with we have a few friends of our brother who eulogize him. Those people that knew him in real life. Friends and community members that knew Maigama. People that he worked with.